Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Instagram account locked. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, make sure you are using the official Instagram app from the App Store or Google Play. Open Instagram and try to log in with your username and password carefully. If you see account locked or suspicious activity, tap Learn More or Get Help. Choose the option to confirm it is you. Then select your preferred verification method. If SMS is available, choose text message and confirm your phone number is correct. Enter the 6-digit code exactly as it arrives, and request a new code if it expires. If email is available, choose email and check your inbox and spam folder for the code or link. Tap the verification link or enter the code to continue the unlock process. If Instagram asks for a password change, create a new strong password you have not used before. Avoid using simple patterns and include letters, numbers, and symbols in the new password. Turn on two-factor authentication in Instagram settings for extra account protection. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Account Center, then Password and Security. Enable two-factor authentication and choose an authenticator app or SMS based on your preference. If the app says try again later, close Instagram completely and reopen it after a few minutes. Switch your internet connection between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Disable any VPN or proxy because Instagram may treat it as unusual login activity. Update Instagram to the latest version to avoid verification bugs and login errors. Clear Instagram cache on Android, or reinstall the app on iPhone to refresh the session. Try logging in from a different device or a browser at Instagram. To complete verification. If you have access to Account Center, review recent login activity and remove unknown devices. Check your email account security and change your email password if you suspect compromise. If your phone number changed, use the Can't Reset Your Password option to recover access. Select Need More Help and follow the in-app steps to submit a support request. When asked for identity confirmation, provide the requested details accurately and consistently. If Instagram requests a video selfie, do it in good lighting and follow the on-screen instructions. Wait for the review result, and keep checking email and Instagram notifications for updates. After access is restored, remove third-party apps that claim to boost followers or automate actions. Use Instagram normally for a few days and avoid rapid follows, likes, or repeated logins from many locations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.